many of you over here believe that the person that you're in love with now is the person you're going to marry? There's the other friend that you're not necessarily committed to. What sacrifices are you willing to make for that friendship where there's a high level of commitment that you're not willing to make for that friendship where there's not a high level of commitment? Because chances are you see them differently. You're willing to do different things for the relationship, the friendship that you're committed to.
Okay. Número de habitaciones. ¿Solamente? Ok. Está bien. ¿Y número de baños?
4.5.
4.5.
I think he combines elements and traditions of film and puts them in the documentary to make for a better and a more mainstream type of view. You know, for just a casual movie watcher, he gives it that cinematic type feel.
Makes it more entertaining.
I thought I loved, the guy I was with in high school, and I just realized, it was just a maturity thing, and then I met this guy right before I came to college, and we were just like, family, we can make all these things work, and then I came here, and then I met my boyfriend. I don't know if I'm going to be with him forever, but I love him, I care about him, and when he's out of my life, I'll be sad.
Because right now people can't even tell you where they're going. They don't know whether they're going to get that job that they're applying for, into grad school that they're applying for, or even if they'll be back home with their parents. And the reality is that after graduation, 7 in 10 students move back home. And so that's a great reality that we all could be back home.